Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the healing Thailand video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So in this video trend, you have a series of blur and a few zoom in effects. So let me show you how to create these kind of video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your App Store or your Google Play Store, so go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded Capcut, go ahead and open up TikTok. Now you want to tap on search here at the top, and here you're searching for Healing Thailand, then Capcut. So go ahead and tap on search. Now go through the videos in your search results. And what you're looking for is this Capcut Try This template. So for those of you who have recorded their video in a landscape mode, you want to use these kind of templates. And for those of you who have recorded in a portrait mode, you want to view these kind of videos. So once you've selected the orientation, on these videos, you're looking for this button here, Capcut Try This template. You'll see them on the landscape version and on the portrait version. So go ahead and tap on any of them. Now this will show you the template. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will load the template. Now tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now here you want to select a video of yourself or anything for about 6.8 seconds long. So I'll go ahead and select a video. Then I'll tap on Preview at the bottom right. This will now use a template and will create the video for you. Now once it's created the video, it'll show you a preview. And now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now once it's in TikTok, TikTok will automatically add the sound for you at the top. It will add the trending sound to this Capcut template. So go ahead and preview the video using the sound. And once you're happy, tap on Next and then post this video to TikTok. So that is how to create the Healing Thailand video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.